Hi, I'm Ray. Today's product is making the Catio for the cats, and you can see they're thoroughly enjoying it. I'm going to show you through the process of making my Catio from start to finish. So this is the plan that we've got. We've got an outbuilding, small window, we've got this back wall with one drain pipe going right through the middle. So I'm going to do a drawing of what we want. So we're going to go across there. So our panels, actually that would be, so it would be here, and then across the back wall, so the measurements from this edge here to the end here is 8 foot, and our panels come in 3 foot and 2 foot. They build them for 3 foot, but then they get customized into 2 foot. So it's rough design, not quite square, but there's one panel there. And then this bit here is going to be divided into 3 panels, joining it there, down here, and then this one to here. And then 3 panels on the front, so a 3 foot, another 3 foot, and then a 2 foot. So in theory we want one panel here, which is 3 foot, there to there, 3 foot panel, there to there, a 3 foot panel, there to there, a 2 foot panel, there to there, and then on the end we need a door. So a door on the end, and this is going to be 3 foot panel, and on the roof we want 8 foot by 3 foot, and the height we're going is 66 inches, so 66 inches all the way around, but 8 foot by 3 foot on the top. So we want one, 2, 3, that's 66 inches times 3. We want 2 foot 66 inches by 2 foot. We want 3 foot with a door and 66 inches high. Just one of those. 3, 4, 5, and then lastly we want for the roof, we want an 8 foot by 3 foot. We want it slightly larger so it can cover the edges of the 3 foot. We want one of those. So this is £30 times 3, £30 times 1, £35 times 1, and 35 because that's a custom made times 1. So that's equals to 190 for the whole lot. Every panels ought to be made £190. So here we have it. We've got 3 panels, 3 foot, 3 foot and 2 foot. 3 foot panel has a door, and then an 8 foot by 3 foot panel on the top with 2 decking boards on the top and on the bottom. And inside I've recycled a hutch, put this carpet 3 meters and 4 meters by 1 meter, $29.99. So in total cost was £260 in total.